Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to transfer money from your bank to your Stashway account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought I would do a video on it to help you all out. I'm sure you're all excited to start investing your money, but you're probably wondering how long it's going to take for your money to show up in your Stashway account. Well, the answer is that it depends on a few factors. First, it depends on the type of transfer that you're doing. If you're transferring money from your bank account to your Stashway account, it will take longer than if you're transferring money from your Stashway account to your bank account. Second, it depends on the bank that you're using. Some banks process transfers faster than others. Third, it depends on the time of day that you're initiating the transfer. Transfers that are initiated later in the day may take longer to process. Now that I've given you some general information about the factors that can affect the transfer time, let's talk about the specific time frames involved. Bank to Stashway. If you're transferring money from your bank account to your Stashway account, it will typically take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to show up in your account. However, it can take up to 5 business days in some cases. Stashway to bank. If you're transferring money from your Stashway account to your bank account, it will typically take 1 to 2 business days for the funds to show up in your account. Here are some tips to help you speed up the transfer process. Initiate your transfer early in the day. This will help to ensure that your transfer is processed as quickly as possible. Use a bank that is known for processing transfers quickly. Make sure that your bank account information is correct. Check your Stashway account regularly to see if your transfer has been processed. It takes 1 to 3 business days for a bank transfer to clear. However, there are a number of factors that can delay the process. By following the tips that I have outlined in this video, you can help to speed up the transfer process. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy investing.